On behalf of Genesis Fertility Research Center, Erode, we welcome you to see the journey of success. The success story of GFRC in infertility treatment is achieved by the IVF team led by Dr. Nirmala Sethashivam. For 25 years of academic activities and scientific achievements, she was elected for MNAMS and she was awarded PhD in reproductive medicine in July 2012. Best Doctor Award was offered for her social contribution in the field of infertility, and she was honored for her service to poor infertile couples. Medical miracle: 64 years old woman with 74 years old husband has delivered a male baby in 2004. In 2013, India's first capsule baby was born in our center. Dr. Robert Edward, the first test tube baby scientist, had blessed the doctor couple for their best IVF setup in India. She learnt the blastocyst culture technique under the expert guidance of Professor Arif Bongso, in NUH, Singapore. Inaugurated Genesis Genetic Research Center in 2005 in the presence of Professor Marco Filigori from Italy. Our laparoscopy team, led by Dr. Ramesh, has done more than 10,000 cases of hysteral laparoscopies till now. Laser-assisted hatching system was inaugurated by Professor Jayant Mehta, UK in 2003, which augments the success rates significantly. Our center was started in 1995, which was the third IVF center of Tamil Nadu, while the other two were serving the metropolitan population at Chennai, with a vision towards enlightening hopes for childless couples. We have successfully completed 2 decades of unbeaten service in the field of reproductive medicine. The news of medical miracle due to egg donation and blastocyst culture technology in a 64 years old woman with 74 years old husband was the crown of all achievements. This news was flashed in all medias worldwide. The BBC has allotted a separate web page till today describing this as the eldest couple of the universe parenting for the first time. We have achieved live births in more than 6,800 plus infertile women, bringing blossoms since 1996. Our mission is to resolve infertility in an ideal way, delivering value through commitment, professionalism and care. We are constantly improving the quality and standard of treatment with more innovation and research. We are committed to provide comprehensive range of services, in spectrum of fertility enhancing treatments under one roof, with success rates at par with international standards. The Genesis Fertility Research Center houses state-of-the-art range of infertility equipments and treatments. Our IVF lab is one of the most modern, completely equipped labs in India. We pioneered the use of Trigger's incubator system since 1998. Recently we upgraded the culture system with the latest, most versatile benchtop incubator called K System, G185, which can nurture 50 couples' embryos at the same time. This has a computer-based surveillance system helping the embryologists to watch the culture conditions from outside the laboratory. In that, we utilize 5% O2, 6% CO2 and 89% N2, which gives the embryos an ideal environment, as it finds in the mother's womb. Now we have 4 Trigger's incubators and 5 conventional CO2 incubators which serve our infertile population in the most efficient way. Stereozoom microscopes help to manipulate gametes under the laminar flow workstation. Stage-specific, sequential culture medias are being used as per the need of growing embryos, depending on the day of culture. Integrated vertical laminar flow workstations, positive pressure ventilation and the latest Nikon stereozoom and inverted microscopes with motorized micromanipulators for XI treatment, aid our genuine embryo culture system to lead with the best take-home baby rate. This system helped to undertake PGD pre-implantation genetic screening and blastocyst biopsy for advanced embryology work. Laser-assisted hatching system helps the embryos to hatch in time to facilitate implantation and augmenting the success rate. Air purifier and pressure module help to maintain the quality of air inside the laboratory.